Hey, welcome back everyone. Got another town car video for you. Oh, just the town car's in it. It's for the town car, so I think it works. As in the video description, these are WeatherTech floor mats, laser fitted for the town cars. I don't know, 05 to 11. I'm pretty sure they'll. Actually, I'm not too sure. I think that's the year. Anyway, this is my review and installation of them. I got these ones about a year ago, and the driver's side left has seen the most use, this one. And overall, I'm happy with what these have, you know, why I bought them. They're rubber and they're easy to clean. I do have my original carpet ones in a box somewhere in that area. These is the last one I bought. It is for the rear trunk, and this is also has a nice fit to it. I guess you guys still gotta let it kind of mold into the trunk shape, but overall it does good. Lincoln also made a optional thing you can give us a trunk organizer, and you fit it right in there and then fill up the entire space, and it came about up to here, and you can just store stuff in it. But things on eBay, there was one on eBay, but it's like $500, so no way in hell I'm going to buy that. I got the rear one installed, the trunk one, and I'm going to put in the rear one now, which is this piece. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I did buy these brand new from Weathertech.com and paid the full asking price of what they wanted. If you're looking for a way to clean these, this is carpet cleaner. It's a foam stuff, but this stuff works absolutely wonders on this. It doesn't fade the color. They only come in cashmere and black, I believe. The only colors. They might have come in gray. Cashmere, black, and gray. 3 colors. And we're going to get these installed. I just vacuumed out the front and the rear. The outfit's stiff when you get them. These one was made 05-9-22, so these aren't old stock. Kind of wiggle him on in there, and I like to try my best to put it under this thing, because when this backs up, this pushes up against it, and it likes to just bend it. So I like to shove it underneath that plastic clip, and it's over the hump, which is nice. The Signature L or the Executive L came with a floor mat, a couple one, which was also over the hump. I do kind of want to get that one just for like looks. Maybe, I don't know, actually it might be a different size because of the extended length. And the same goes for this side. Just push it down underneath that plastic clip. There you go, that side is done. I still haven't fixed the front passenger seat. I'm heading to a shop up in northern Minnesota that is a friend of the family, actually. And they're gonna do something about that. I just don't have any time since I'm in college right now. This seat needs to go all the way back because it is in the way. Alright, that's done. And the same for the other side, and I might as well close the sunroof since I forgot it's open. So we just turn it to accessory power and close it. It's a one touch, both open and close, which is nice. Feels well too. Alright, now I'm going to pause the video and we're going to move all these seats back, and then I can get the front installed. Memory seat moving. A nice touch is, according to the user manuals, which you can find online, this is actually a 3 memory seating positions, not 2. If you hold 1 and 2 at the same time, it activates the 3rd. I gotta wipe this off. Though, on as much as I hate it, this car is driven in the winter. I drive it just a little as possible, only when we knew I go to, like an old person. But this sticker is kind of coming apart. Something 15, probably 22, so probably in the same month, and tells you the front. And then I got all the whisked off. Wow, this is kind of weighs a bunch. And the same goes with the front. Again, it's laser molded, so it's a bit stiff when you get it brand new, but you gotta let them sink into place. I'm going to get the other side, so I just need to go back and forth. Not sure why that does that. You think there would be a retainer though, but no, it was not. See, it comes along covers this carpet piece and then meets this dual slim thing seal. I don't know the correct name, but that is the Weathertech floor mats. Easy to clean, definitely worth the money if you're driving your car or any car in the winter, or just have like rocks and stuff and spills. For example, yesterday I had a friend of mine spill Mountain Dew in the back seat, and I was not very happy. But this upper part that comes up really did a good job, excellent job. Actually, it pretty much kept all of the fluid in until we got to a place. Also, that pink stuff is grease, which they say to use in the owner's manual for dual locks and strikers. Anyway, that is Weathertech floor mats for the front, rear, and trunk of my 2006 Town Car. If you're interested, go check them out. Definitely worth the investment. As always, have a good one, and thanks for watching.